How to buy COCORO token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 13 hours ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That means your investment in a safe place. So this token trending number 9 is on a section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Ethereum for that. For example, first of all, connect your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitcoin wallet. Now, after you connect your wallet, if you don't see your token in here, go back to the screener and you will be able to copy the token address from here and go back to Ethereum. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, you will be able to find your token, this name COCORO. Now click on add token, click on your token again, as you can see, to be able to find it here. Now from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now with that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. After that, click on more info to be able to read that information and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy COCORO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.